These are my pattern pieces all cut out and ready to go. I've got front and back dress pieces, sleeves, facings, and gores, and I'm very excited to start sewing my dress. Now I've already sewn my dress pieces together at the shoulders, so here's the front sewn to the back. I did that on both sides, and I have also attached the gores halfway to my skirt. So here's one back piece. I have attached one side gore to this side and the back gore to that center back seam. Here is my dress with the back seam sewn together. So now we have this very full skirt in the back, and this is all one piece. So just to kind of show you guys what I did here, this is where the gore attaches. Now both sides of the gore are attached, so I have like a triangle here, and this is the center back seam. So I've just made sure to match up that seam right there and made sure it matches up on both sides. So I've gone ahead and sewed together the front seam. So I sewed all the way up from the hem, and I stopped where I want my dress to begin its front opening. So somewhere along the front between the hip and the waist should be fine. Next, I'm going to set the sleeves. Okay, so I've got both sleeves in and I am ready to sew them on. So next I've attached my facings. I just simply went right sides together, and here is my facing attached to the front neckline, and it goes all the way around the back neckline and down the other front opening. Now I am basically done sewing my dress. I just have all the finishing work left to do. So I sewed together all the gores in my skirt, so it's very, very voluminous. There's no gore in the front in this particular pattern. There is a gore at each side and a gore in the center back. I have sewn the facing into the bodice of the dress, so I have it faced right here. I like to make the facing go quite a bit over the bust, so I have a little bit more support there. Otherwise you could actually alternately just cut a thin strip that goes around. And I've actually tacked the facing to my center back seam and my shoulder seam so it doesn't go anywhere. And I've got these sleeves with the center back seam, and I've got facings in there as well because I'm going to put buttons in my sleeves. So yay, my dress is all in one piece. That's awesome.